Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time for the giveaway. Time for this week's giveaway. 17-in-1 multi-tool from Ozark Trail. This week's giveaway is brought to you from Camera Installation of North Georgia. Johnny Mendez. If you want to install some cameras, if you've got camera needs, this guy will hook you up. Let's go ahead and draw. This week's winner is Jimmy Joslin. Jimmy, just send us your mailing information and we will mail it to you. Thanks for playing. Camera Installations of North Georgia. If you got camera needs or want cameras installed, hit up Johnny Mendez. Our Camera Installation of North Georgia. We'll put the info in the description and he'll hook you up. Thanks, Johnny.